Alrighty, we are updating a very, very nice luxury apartment complex where it has the older style fluorescent lights in it. And we're going to be converting them to LED to make them maintenance free and energy saving for the tenants. Here in the country I was born in, we use 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps, 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare or the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a switch loop or a 220, 240 volt circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral. And we have some very good skilled painters. They're going to be painting the apartment. And it's interesting how they plugged in the fan and got the fan running to dry the paint. I'll show you that. Alrighty, so this is the fluorescent light fixture we're going to be updating, and I'll turn it on so you can see the fluorescent lights. Those bulbs are good, so I'm not going to be throwing them away. I'm going to use a screwdriver and force it. Why doesn't that one open? But force will make it open. There we go. A little force will open it. we have our MC cable coming in fastened into the proper fitting here. So this goes up in like this. Need to get back up here the right way. And slide. Okay, so this goes on the top. And go like this. Push it in. But you know what? If it's not going to go, it's not going to go. So why frustrate? It's not going to go. Doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. And frustrating just isn't going to make it go. I'll try one more thing, and if it doesn't work, you know what? It doesn't work. And we're not going to get upset. We're not going to get all frustrated. Doesn't go, we'll be happy with what we got. Bend that down a little bit. Sometimes just a little force will make it go. There it is. Force it in. Sometimes you just have to be happy with what you got and what you can do. Because frustrating does not change anything. Absolutely nothing. Hey, it snapped in the way you wanted it, so we are good to go. Okay, so we'll clip the wires off this ballast here. And we'll save this a piece here. And we'll clip the wires close here so we can reuse this ballast if we need to run another light, because there's nothing wrong with it. So this is our older ballast we took out. It's a fairly new one. It has 2 red wires, 2 yellow wires, and 2 blue wires. So I left enough slack on there so we're going to get up in another fixture if we have to. Okay, so we have this piece here that goes to the power source, plugs in to this here. So we'll take our white wire, we'll strip it, and we'll hook it to all our yellow wires, which is 2. That's all of these sockets on this end. And we'll twist them together. Get our insulation lined up on the bottom here, like this here. And we'll twist it together. Clip it so it's even with the shortest one. And we'll put our wire nut on here. Make sure it grabs nice and tight and get a nice twist. See, I got a nice twist up here. Now we'll take our black wire and we'll go to all our red and blue wires, which will energize all the sockets on this end. Okay, so we'll get all our insulation even at the top here. And we'll go ahead and twist them all together. Make sure we get them all nice and tight here. And I'll put them even with the shortest one. And I will stick our yellow wire nut on here like this. And then this just plugs in to this piece here. It only plugs in one way, so you have the live on the right side. So plug them in like that, and you'll hear it pop together. So now we can get all these wires together here, so we don't get them tangled up. When we put our cover piece back in here, I'll make sure our ground wire is out of our way here. Now we're ready to put our cover back up in here. Make sure we don't have any wires pinched anywhere. Okay, nothing pinched on this side. Hey, it snapped in really nice. Going in was easy, so we're going to make sure no wires are pinched on this side and no wires are pinched on this side. There is the different wiring diagrams for the installation. Okay, these bulbs are very, very bright, so we're just going to put one in, but if the renters want more, they can buy them and put them in. Just turn it like that, and we'll turn our switch on, and I'll show you how nice and bright this is. So when the cleaners come, they will clean the lens on this here. This is all dirty from cooking in the kitchen, so they may either put a new one up here or they'll spray it down with a degreaser and clean it. Alrighty, that is how to upgrade an existing fluorescent light to a maintenance-free, energy-saving LED light here in the country I was born in. Peace. Thanks for watching.